morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. What we're doing today, go ahead and do the attendance, agenda, instruction video. Star slides, go ahead and open those up so that you can follow along with the slideshow for today. So go ahead, flip through. This is a hearing test, so if you want to test your hearing, but note if you are sensitive to high-pitched sounds, probably don't do it because it has a lot of high-pitched sounds. So test your hearing. This is a slide we worked on yesterday. We did our data table. We looked back at our graph to see how well we did on that, learning about types of graphs. So this is a slide we'll be filling out today with a description, a picture, and examples of each type of wave. So go through all of this amazing work right here and go through, answer these questions. The video in the daily slides talked about how earthquakes, the video in the daily slides talked about how earthquakes and waves. I think, take out the word how. I'm going to fix that. Talked about earthquakes and waves. Write 1 to 2 sentences on how waves helped us understand the layers of the earth. So go ahead and do that. For your Google Doc assignment today, open that up. It'll bring you here and here. So directions, use the link below to go to a BrainPop game called Wave Combinator. It'll bring you through a tutorial and then some challenges. The picture below shows you what levels you have to complete. All others are optional. So you must complete these 3 levels. All others are optional. So you see these 3 right there in that first column. Conclusion questions. Please take a screenshot of the completed levels like the picture shown above, but there should be check marks on each level to show that you did them. For the random level, or number 3, it will not let you know when you are done. After you complete 5 waves, go back to the menu to check if you are done. So let's just open that up real quick. So for this game, you don't have to log in or anything. You're just going to click play game. It also goes with like a little bit of a storyline. There's a plot to it if you care. So there is something happening under that trash pile over there. So you're gonna do the one available. You have to do the playground with wave, challenges with wave, and random with wave. So again, playground will let you know when it's done. Challenges will let you know when it's done. The random will not let you know when it's done. So you just have to do 5 and then go back to check to see if you're done. Awesome. So the way that you play this game is you have offset, which moves it left and right, wavelength, which stretches it out or squishes it, and amplitude, which makes it taller or shorter. I think you're supposed to have more than just that with playground. I'm very confused. That's all you wanted to, okay, that it has changed slightly, but there you go. Okay, so now challenges. So now you can move the offset. Awesome. Wavelength, so change the wavelength. Awesome. Nice. Amplitude, so let's change our amplitude, but then also let's change offset. Awesome. Okay, so move all of the sliders. So I'm going to match this up like right there. Wavelength, I need to make it a little bit shorter. Then I also need to increase the amplitude, increase the wavelength, decrease the wavelength a little bit offset, wavelength even just, there we go. And then also there are arrows on the side. So you're going to go through and just do all that. You can always just go back to menu. You can see, oh, I'm not done with challenges. So I'm going to go back to challenges. And then you can skip any you want to get back to where you left off. And so that is what you're doing there. So take a screenshot of this page showing check marks in all 3. Go back here, match up the correct part of the wave over here. What type of wave was shown in this activity? What are some real-life examples of these? And that's what you're doing today. That is your Google Doc assignment. And then for extension, I have some blockets. So you can do the cafe or the tower defense on energy blockets and parts of waves, and make sure that you've done everything. So that's what we're working on today. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have a great day. Bye.